Good day, all you lovely dotting ladies out there. Today's how-to video is how I kit up my new diamond picture to get ready to dot. We will be sorting the rhinestones according to the color list that has been supplied to us on the picture. I like using empty pill containers. The number on this one is a 30. I assume it's got to do with the size and the volume of it. You can get them at quite a few pharmacies, but usually private pharmacies are more prone to selling them single than other places. Another thing that I use is just a plain simple round sticker. These are 25 millimeters in diameter, and I just place one on the top of the pill holder. There, on top of here, is where I will go and I will write down the symbol that you actually use inside the picture. Not the number and not the DMC number. We're only focusing on the symbols. To mark it, I like using my Erasable Frixion pens. Seeing that this is a Christmas picture, I think I'm going to label them this time with red. From my previous picture, I have picked up that some of the letters are used again in this picture. So I have left those letters on the pill tub. No need to change it. This one though, a number 6, is not on the list. So this one, I just take my erasable pen and I erase it. And that is what I've done with all of these tubs. Now to get sorting. I start off by taking my packet, and if you have a close look, this one says number 1, 160, JH182. The JH182 refers to the item number on your picture. The number 1 refers to the number in the first column on the DMC. 160 is the DMC number that you can use to keep your rhinestones sorted with any leftovers at the end of your picture. What I do now is I look, number 1 is a star. That's the only one I'm looking at. So I'm going to take my pen now, I'm going to take my pill holder, and I'm going to draw a star on here. A nice 5-point star, as best as what I can. And I like to make a line at the bottom for me to know this is right way up. Let me see if I can fix that star. There we go. After doing that, I cut open my packet. And I add my rhinestones. And I just put my tub over there. I'm going to put the video on fast forward, and I'm quickly going to sort all of these out for us, and then I'll get back to explaining. Okay, as you can see, I have finished sorting all my rhinestones into the tubs. The next thing I do is I try and get all the alphabet letters, and I put these in alphabetical order. All the rest are symbols. These don't really matter what order they're in. Those you can decide. And then all I do is I take my tub and I put these alphabetically in a row. This way, while I'm doing my painting, I can easily find them. Let's start a new row for the symbols. And I have finished kitting up. Now all I do, I ignore this. I don't have to look at any of these during the time while I do this picture. I just look, oh, I'm busy with the dash, with the slash, and I take the slash and I do the slash. You'll also notice I have 2 slashes because there's a lot of the same color. 1 tub was not enough. There were literally 3 packets for this one picture. So I just put these next to each other in my tub. So as I go on and I see, oh, there's the H. Okay, let's do the H. I can find my H. I do my H and I put my H back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been very helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Hit me in the comments below if there are any other how-to videos you would like to see. And go have a look at my channel for all the other how-to videos I've made so far. Have a lovely Dotty day. Hope to see you soon.